Good morning, everyone. Today's my 31 weeks checkup, and I'll be going to see the doctor. Baby over here watching Peppa Pig. Say hi, Mama. You say hi? No? What's you smiling for? Who's so beautiful? You really? So I'm all dressed. I'm just wearing a regular t-shirt, regular jeans. Yeah, that's it. You don't have to dress up to go to the doctor, really. Oh my God, for my pants, I had to put a scrunchie through the buckle because none of my jeans can fit at all. Which is okay because I know when I have this baby, it'll all fit back. All right, so we're off. No, here we go, baby. Where are we going?
To the doctor.
Are you ready to go and see your baby brother? Well, you're gonna listen to him, not see him today. Are you excited? Want to get a kiss? Give me a big one. No?
A small one.
Okay, a small one.
A big, tiny, small one.
Oh, who's so beautiful? Thank you. You're so beautiful. Yeah. Let's go, baby. Whew. It's so windy. Wait, stay here. Are you cold? No? Woo! Oh my goodness. This is Canada life. She's coming back. You're freezing, Julia? This is Canada for you, baby. Freezing. Wow. I know. There's your car. Go. This way. So we're here. I have to pee on this every visit we get it, so that's what we're gonna do.
Okay. Baby's good, okay.
We're done our appointment, right, baby? Now we're gonna go get something to eat. She want bacon. You want bacon? All right. Don't.
And hot dog.
Okay, so we're gonna go Giggling Tomatoes for breakfast. Are you excited? Okay. Bacon? Oh, okay.
After our turn.
Earl Grey, so yummy. And Julia is waiting on her food like, where's my food at? Right, Julia?
I want your food.
I know. What are you doing?
The dog is coming in the guts. Oh my goodness, it's plastic.
Yummy. What's wrong?
I want sausage.
We got bacon.
I want sausage.
How's it?
Go.
Good. All right. Come eat.
Go too.
French toast.
Oh.
You're gonna eat off all of this?
I can know too.
Yeah, to cut your French toast.
To cut it?
Yeah.
Can I cut it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh.
Want to try the egg?
No, not that.
Wow. Is it good? Huh? Yes, we're all
The
done.
muffin man, the muffin man, the muffin.
I am so stuffed.
Mommy.
Now we're going home. Right, baby?
No, yay.
And we should learn from it. And when you take a look at Lady Liberty, it's there for a reason. When you look at in Quebec City, when people came to Quebec City or when they went to Halifax, it's the same. It was open arms to try to get there. Not everybody's going to have the same.
Tony, I'm going to hold you there because I looked over. She actually campaigned for the Democrats. What, 2008? Okay, and you're in our Ottawa studio. Just tell us briefly about your own political history. Oh, sure.
Guys, thank you very much for watching our vlog for
Hi.
today. And we're home.
This is orange.
She's gonna take a nap. Right? You gonna take a nap? No?
Bye.
Bye. Say thanks for watching.
It's Ruffin's bye.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for